Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to cut an image from a PDF and save it as a JPEG in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you need to extract specific images from larger documents and use them in different formats. Let's jump right into the process. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to Recent Files and select the file that contains the image you want to cut and save as a JPEG. This will open your PDF document and display it in the main workspace where you can begin working with it. Now look at the upper left toolbar and click on Edit. This activates the editing mode in Adobe Acrobat, allowing you to manipulate elements within your PDF. Once you're in edit mode, you'll be able to select and interact with individual components like text and images. Next, right-click on the image you want to extract. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Cut. This action removes the image from its current location in the PDF and places it on your clipboard, ready to be pasted elsewhere. Now we need to create a new page where we can paste this image in the upper left toolbar. Click on the plus Create button. This opens up options for creating new documents. From the options that appear, click Blank Page, then click Create. Adobe Acrobat will generate a fresh, empty page for you to work with. Here's where we bring the image back. Press Ctrl+V on your keyboard to paste the image onto this blank page. The image you cut earlier will now appear on the new page, isolated and ready to be saved in your desired format. Now it's time to save this as a JPEG. In the upper left toolbar, click on Menu, then select Save As. This opens the Save dialog where you can specify how and where you want to save your file. Click on your computer, then select your preferred folder. For example, you might choose Documents or any other location where you want to store this image. Take a moment to navigate to the right spot so you can easily find the file later. At this point, you can rename the file if needed. Give it a descriptive name that will help you identify it quickly in the future. Once you've named it appropriately, navigate to Save As Type. Click the drop-down menu right beside it and select JPEG from the list of available formats. This ensures your image will be saved as a JPEG file rather than keeping it in PDF format. Finally, click Save. Adobe Acrobat will process your request and save the image as a JPEG in your chosen location. You've successfully extracted an image from a PDF and converted it to JPEG format, making it ready for use in presentations, websites, or any other application that requires image files. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.